This video is a compilation of useful life hacks that everyone should have up their back pocket. First up is a trick for siphoning fuel from a motorbike's gas tank into a plastic bottle. This method is often used to help out bikes that suddenly run out of fuel when there's no gas station nearby. A metal rod is split in half with 2 nails at the ends. Insert it into the pipe and twist until the rod expands to match the size of the pipe. Then, clamp a wrench in the middle and turn the rod to the right. And just like that, the nut comes off. Attach a plastic hose to the faucet, twist a thin wire around and tie it to the hose. Insert a screwdriver into the loop and turn right, winding the wire's right end around it. Same with the left. Pull both ends to the center, then keep turning until the hose is tightly secured. This is the simplest and most effective way to securely tie a rope tightly around a wooden stick or post. The harder you pull the rope, the tighter the knot becomes. Next is a simple way to tie a rope securely around a bag. This method lets you easily carry the bag anywhere without worrying about it falling or coming undone. To put a rubber band onto the mouth of a bottle, thread a string through it and place over the opening. Pull both ends firmly and the band will slowly slide down. Grind one end of a threaded rod into a cylinder, then insert it into the hole. Screw a nut on tightly. Attach it to a drill so when you drill, it creates a large circle. If you often slip while using a hammer, try tying a small rope firmly around the handle, just like this every time. It will help you hold the hammer more securely and comfortably. This pair of pliers has a small groove drilled exactly at the marked point for precise breaking. You can use this groove to break a long nail into smaller pieces easily. If you tie 2 ropes the usual way, pulling in opposite directions can make the knot slip easily. But with this tying method, the harder you pull, the tighter the knot becomes. Take the top part of a plastic bottle and attach it to the wooden broom handle, then nail it firmly in place. Remove the bristles from the broom and nail the bottle cap onto it. Now, the broom can be used normally again. If the wrench doesn't fit the nut, take a long threaded rod with 2 washers and a nut. Place on a nail, tighten the nut. This lets you easily unscrew the bolt. Break a spark plug carefully to remove the outer metal shell. Use this shell to split a rectangular glass sheet cleanly into 2 equal parts with ease and precision every time. Screw a nut onto a threaded rod and heat it up. Place a plastic tube over it so the tube's end takes the shape of the nut. This makes reassembling much easier. If an electrical wire gets stuck like this, instead of breaking or pulling it off abruptly, you can use this simple and effective trick to remove the wire easily without damaging it at all. A piece of plastic tubing is nailed to the table. Remove excess. Thread wire through and nail it firmly underneath. A very clever method. To join an aluminum bar to a wooden beam, first draw straight lines in a triangular pattern, then split the aluminum along them. Next, attach the aluminum to the wood and use a drill to securely fasten it with screws. This is an easy and secure way to tie a rope tightly around a machine body, helping you store your belongings neatly and efficiently every single time. Take a piece of heated glue stick, place a nut on top, and nail them firmly together. Use this sturdy support bracket for a wooden shelf inside a cabinet. If you want to insert an electrical wire, first strip the insulation off a section, then bend the copper core inside into a U shape. After that, insert it properly and tighten the screw firmly and securely. This is a simple, useful knot everyone should know for tying a rope to a round hook. It holds the rope securely, so even with strong pulling, it won't slip off. Do you know how to properly connect 2 electrical wires together? Watch and carefully follow the detailed steps in this video to learn the simplest and most effective way to do it. How do you usually remove the tip of this glue tube? Using a knife can be slippery and unsafe. Instead, you can simply insert the glue tube into the hole of this metal glue gun. If the wrench is too big for the bolt and you can't turn it, take 2 wrenches of different sizes and interlock them. This way, you can easily loosen the bolt. Nail a cylindrical foam tube, add a nut, and attach it firmly to the wood surface. Use it as a handy holder to neatly store your screwdrivers and small tools. Don't thread the electrical wire in like this, everyone. Instead, try this simple and effective method to keep the wire both secure and neat, making your workspace much safer and more organized. Tie a plastic zip tie onto the tape roll so you can easily tear the tape without needing scissors or a knife every single time you use it effortlessly and quickly. Here's a simple and clever way to tie a rope around a large water bottle so you can easily carry it anywhere without worrying about dropping it or spilling the water inside. See how easy it is? It's really easy. To join two plastic pipes of the same size, tie a rubber band around each. Remove the middle part of a plastic bottle and place it between them. Heat the bottle with a heat gun so it fits snugly. That's it. Stick tape onto the wooden door handle, then poke holes at both ends. Attach the tape to the door and drill holes where marked. This way, the handle installs more accurately. Here's an easy way to quickly and safely remove the screw in the middle of a drill. This is a really useful video, isn't it? Make sure to save and share it for when you need it.